Good morning, children. How are you all? So, in which lesson we are in plants, parts and functions, isn't it? Parts and functions. So, what we have studied? Parts of a plant we discussed, isn't it? What are the different parts of a plant? And each and every part we are discussing the functions also, isn't it? So, what we have discussed about the roots, types of roots we have discussed, taproot system and fibrous root system, isn't it? Taproot system and fibrous root system we have discussed. Taproot system, main root is present and lateral roots are present in taproot system. Fibrous root system, the roots which is spread on the surface of the earth. These are present in grass family plant. Fibrous root. We have discussed this, and functions also we have discussed. The roots fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorbs the water and mineral salts from the soil. Already we discussed the activity also, I explained you. Now, roots stores the extra food also, and the shape is bulged out. This also we have discussed. We have discussed even about the leaf also, that is parts of a leaf already we have discussed. What is the stalk of the leaf? It is called as a petiole. What do you call the broad part of the leaf? It is called a lamina. What is the main rib in the middle? That is called as midrib. Side veins are called veins or veinlets also, isn't it? And how many types of what is the venation? Arrangement of veins in the lamina is called a venation, isn't it? It acts like a skeleton to leaf, means it gives shape and support to the leaf. How many types of venation there? Two types. What are they? Reticulate venation and parallel venation, isn't it? Reticulate venation is present in taproot system and parallel venation is present in grass family plant. Already we have discussed. Now here coming to next is functions of a leaf. Functions of a leaf. Functions of a leaf. What are the functions of a leaf? Leaves plays very important role in the life of a plant. Very important role in the life of a plant. So, plants also breathe like us. Plants also breathe like us. We have lungs. Breathing organs are lungs. In plants have stomatas. It is also called nose of a leaf. This is what you call it, stomata. Bean-shaped structure. You are seeing, if you peel the leaf, observe under the microscope, you will see this structure. You will see this structure in the leaf. Isn't it? This structure you will find in the leaf. These are called stomatas, isn't it? So what is the shape of the stomata? It looks like a bean seed. Looks like a bean seed. The shape of the stomata is like a bean seed. Exchange of gases takes place through stomata only. This is the main function of the leaf. Exchange of gases takes place in the leaf through the stomata only. That's why the stomatas are called nose of a leaf. So, it is useful in the exchange of gases between the plants and atmosphere, isn't it? What is the color of the leaf? It is green in color. Why the leaf is green in color? Because of a pigment called chlorophyll is present. What is the pigment present? Chlorophyll is present in the plant, in the leaf. Because of chlorophyll pigment, it is green in color. Another function. So here the leaves. Now where you cook the food in your house? In the kitchen room only. Can you cook it in the hall? Bedroom? No. We are having a separate room for cooking food. That is kitchen. In the same way, in plants also, the food preparation process takes place in particular part of the plant that is what you call it, leaf. So leaf is called as a kitchen factory of a plant. Leaf is called kitchen factory of a plant where the food preparation takes place. So during the, what you call it, the leaves takes carbon dioxide. Takes carbon dioxide. Here say I will draw. Leaves here you say the stomata takes the carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and prepares the food in the presence of sunlight. Roots absorbs the water and mineral salts and supply to stem. The stem supply the water and mineral salts to different parts of the plant body, isn't it? So here what happens, the carbon dioxide is used from the atmosphere and water and mineral salts from the soil and prepares the food in the presence of sunlight. It's called, this process of making food is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. And chlorophyll, it traps the sun's energy which helps in the preparation of the food. So what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The preparation of food takes place in the leaf by the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Takes oxygen, carbon dioxide from the air, water and minerals from the soil, isn't it? And prepares the food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It's called photosynthesis. Photo means in the presence of light. Photo means in the presence of light. Synthesis means making food. That's why the leaves are called kitchen factory of a plant. Another function. So this is the function. Exchange of gases, photosynthesis, transpiration also takes place through the leaves. Transpiration means excess of water, removal of excess of water from different parts of the plant body. That is through the leaf. Release of excess water will be removed. This process is what you call it? Transpiration. So the water released in the form of a vapor. In the form of a vapor, and this process is what you call it? Transpiration. Now here we will see how the transpiration takes place. Transpiration. Excess water is released from the leaf. It's called a transpiration. Now here we will see, take a potted plant. Take a potted plant, green leaf. Select one green leaf. Isn't it? Select one green leaf. Now cover this leaf with the polythene cover. Tie the polythene cover. Transparent polythene cover you have to take. Keep it in the sun. Keep it in the sunlight. Another, only you take the polythene cover and keep it in the sun. Tie it. Tie this end. Then observe what happens here. So here, what happens after a few hours, what you will see is, inside the polythene cover, you will see the droplets of water. You will see the droplets of water inside the polythene cover. Isn't it? This is what excess of water is released from the leaf. Excess of water is released from the leaf. How you will remove the excess water? In the form of sweat and urine. Isn't it? So here also the leaves release the excess water. It's called, this process, this activity is what you call it? Transpiration. So what about the polythene cover? Simply which you keep in the sunlight. No droplets of water. No droplets of water formed in this polythene cover because you are not keeping any leaf here in this. Isn't it? So this is what you call it. Plants release excess of water in their body through the stomata. Through the stomata. Release through the The excess of water is released through the stomata. Where you find this stomata? in the leaf. In the leaf you find this stomata, isn't it? So, just what will happen if transpiration does not take place? The plants will die due to excess of water in their body. Okay. So here now what collect the dry leaves, and dry it, and just you paint whatever designery or your art. Show your art in the leaves. Broad leaves you have to take. The lamina should be broad. Take such leaves and dry it and design of your choice. Okay. So this is very famous in Warangal, isn't it? This is a traditional method. Mythological figures also you can draw, Lord Krishna or Mata, Durga Mata. You can draw any pictures and display in your house. Okay. So in Warangal district there is a traditional cottage industry where pictures of various traditional and mythological figures you will see on the leaves, dry leaves, that is dry leaves. So these are the functions of the leaf, that is the stomatas are, that's why stomata is called nose of a leaf. Nose of a leaf, because exchange of gases takes place through the stomata. When the carbon dioxide enters, it opens, again it closes. When the oxygen goes out, again it opens and leaves the oxygen, isn't it? So stomatas are, if you peel the leaf and observe under the microscope, you will see this structure. They are, looks like a bean seed. The stomatas are like a bean shaped structure. Exchange of gases takes place, photosynthesis takes place, that is preparation of the food takes place. Manufacturing of the food also takes place in the leaf. Next is transpiration. So understood this activity, children? Everyone understood? Next coming to stem provides support to the plant. This you are going to study in the next class. So here you have seen that functions of a leaf. What are very important to remember this. It is called a kitchen of a factory, and it is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment. Only in green part of the leaf photosynthesis takes place. Only in the green part of the leaf photosynthesis takes place. Understood? Only in green parts of a leaf photosynthesis takes place. So here leaves and flowers, this grows from the stem only. Now here you have seen that cactus plant. In cactus you have seen the fleshy, very fleshy leaves will be there. Very fleshy leaves will be there. This, have you seen? No. The leaves are modified into thorns. Stem only prepares the food in cactus. Because of lack of water in desert areas, because of shortage of water, because of scarcity of water, the thorns, leaves are modified into thorns, and the stem, green stem, prepares the food for the plant, stores the water in the stem part. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.